There it comes.
You video now when you take pictures.
Oh my fire engine!
Fire engine.
Look at that! Wow!
Great. What do you
Wow,
think?
is that great? Look at that!
Wow.
Wow!
Is that ever Nigel?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikolai.
Happy birthday to you. Look at that.
I
Is
love
that
you,
great?
little boys.
Is
And
that
that's a
great?
cake?
Yes.
Nice going, Joy.
Look at
Nice
you.
Look at
going.
this.
I love you too.
Look at this.
Can he help you blow them out? Let me
Get
just
your
say a
face in there,
prayer.
Jules.
Dear God, thank you for my special boys. Please bless Nikolai and Vitaly as they grow up, and thank you for his birthday today. Thank you that he was born. Amen.
Oh man. Get it done, Vitaly.
Go ahead, Vitaly, blow.
Vitaly.
One more.
Hurry up, Vitaly. Vitaly.
One.
Can I blow one of that? Oh, wait, I'm trying to close.
Nikolai, what is this?
Fire engine.
What did you need to say to Muti?
You're welcome. Can I have a hug?
Whoa.
No, you don't. Can I have a hug?
Why?
Because I'm asking you for one.
Give Muti a hug.
Because she worked hard doing
Give
that.
Muti a hug.
Doing that
Oh,
cake, she
special
worked
Muti.
hard.
I did work hard. You betcha.
Oh, yeah.